Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over how to sketch, extrude, and revolve in Fusion 360. Let's get started. Alright, so first, to start a sketch, click on the Create Sketch in the top left of the menu. Then you can select a plane. I'm going to select the bottom plane. Then up here, you have your menu for all the different shapes you can draw. Here we have a circle that we can draw. Here we have a line that we can draw. Here we have a rectangle that we can draw. And then we have mirror and fit point spline with a bunch more under this menu. So basically, I'm going to make a sketch here by selecting these dots or changing the numbers in the top there. You can also click L to align. So now that we have this sketch, let's click Finish Sketch. To extrude this sketch, we can click Extrude or click E on your keyboard. It'll automatically select the sketch you've selected. You can either pull it up or type in a number. I'm going to extrude this 25. Up here, you can adjust the taper angle, the extent type from distance to object or all, the direction from one side, two sides to symmetric, and the profile plane from profile plane, offset, and object. So select your profiles and you can extrude it however you want. You can choose new body, join, cut, intersect, or new component. Click OK. After that, you can add fillets by clicking on the fillet and clicking on all the edges. After that, you can move this arrow in or change the number to round the corners. Alright, now we're going to go over how to revolve. So let's start a new sketch on the side plane now. Let's go over here and create a triangle. So we're going to make a triangle about 50 millimeters long. We're going to bring it up about 100 millimeters. Click Enter. Now we're going to click L and connect these lines together. Now we're going to click Finish Sketch. Then we're going to click Revolve. It should automatically select your sketch. If not, just click on it. Then we can choose an axis for it to rotate on. I'm going to select this middle axis right here. We can choose from our extend type from full to partial to object, and our operation to new body, join, cut, intersect, or new component. Then click OK. And that's how you do simple moves in Fusion 360. Hope this helps you to get started. See you guys next time.